name is A. Hardeep. I am studying 6th class in MJP Boys School, Singer Outfit. Now I am going to participate in club activity. The topic name is Branches of Biology. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Armanadem. I am studying in 6th class MJP School, Singer Outfit Boys. Now I am going to participate in club activity. The club activity name is Branches of Biology. Good afternoon all of you. My name is G. Saishwa. I am studying 6th class in MJP Boys School, Singraupet. Today I am participating club activity. Topic name is Branches of Biology. What is the study of hair? Trichology. The doctor who deals with hair related diseases is called as trichologist. What is the study of skull? Craniology. The doctor who deals with skull related diseases is called as craniologist. What is the study of eyes? Ophthalmology. The doctor who deals with eyes related diseases is called as ophthalmologist. What is the study of nose? Rhinology. What is the study of ear? Otology. What is the study of tongue? Glassology. The doctor who deals with nose, ear and tongue related diseases is called as ENT doctor. What is the study of skin? Dermatology. The doctor who deals with skin related diseases is called as dermatologist. What is the study of teeth? Dentology. The doctor who deals with teeth related diseases is called as dentist. What is the study of heart? Cardiology. The doctor who deals with heart related diseases is called as cardiologist. What is the study of lungs? Pulmonology or pleurology. The doctor who deals with lungs related diseases is called as pulmonologist. What is the study of blood? Hematology. The doctor who deals with blood related diseases is called as hematologist. What is the study of blood vessels? Angiology. The doctor who deals with blood vessels related diseases is called as angiologist. What is the study of bones? Osteology. The doctor who deals with bones related diseases is called as orthopedician. What is the study of joints? Arthrology. The doctor who deals with joints related diseases is called as orthologist. What is the study of muscles? Myology. The doctor who deals with muscles related diseases is called as myologist. What is the study of kidneys? Nephrology. The doctor who deals related kidneys related diseases is called as nephrologist. What is the study of urine? Urology. The doctor who deals with urine related diseases is called as urinologist. What is the study of brain? Phrenology. The doctor who treats with brain related diseases is called as phrenologist. What is the study of nerves? Neurology. The doctor who deals with nerves related diseases is called as neurologist. What is the study of stomach? Gastroenterology. The doctor who treats with stomach related diseases is called as gastroenterologist. What is the study of liver? Hepatology. The doctor who deals with liver related diseases is called as hepatologist. What is the study of hormones? Endocrinology. The doctor who deals with hormone related diseases is called as endocrinologist. What is the study of diseases? Pathology. The doctor who deals with disease is called as pathologist. What is the study of cancer? Oncology. The doctor who deals with cancer related disease is called as oncologist. What is the study of internal body parts? Anatomy. What is the study of human physiology? Gynecology. The doctor who deals with women disease is called as gynecologist. What is the study of human beauty? Kalology. What is the study of tissues? Histology. What is the study of life? Biology. What is the study of animals? Zoology. What is the study of plants? Botany or dendrology. What is the study of genes? Genetics. What is the study of cell? Cytology. What is the study of enzymes? Enzymology. What is the study of vitamins? Vitaminology. What is the study of aging? Gerontology. What is the study of communicable disease? Epidemiology. What is the study of disease symptoms? Symptomology. What is the study of flower? Ontology. What is the study of insects? Entomology. What is the study of fishes? Ichthyology. What is the study of birds? Ornithology. What is the study of snakes? Ophiology. What is the study of lizards? Zoology. What is the study of external parts of plant? Morphology. What is the study of pollen grains? Polyology. What is the study of water? Hydrology. What is the study of bird's nest? Nidology. Thank you. Thank you.